imagine there's no heaven. It's easy.
Woman, I can hardly express my mixed emotions at my thoughtlessness. After all, when the night has come and the land is dark and the moon is the only light, the monster's gone, he's on the run, and your daddy's here. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mother, you had me, but I never had you. So this is Christmas, and what have you done? Another year over, and a new one just begun. So this is God is a concept by which we measure our life together is so precious. Together we have grown. We have grown.